Hi friends, today's topic name is deadlocks. Deadlock. Deadlocks are a set of blocked process each holding a resource and waiting to occur a resource held by another process. Once again, deadlocks are a set of blocked process each holding a resource and waiting to occur a resource held by another process. Look at the diagram. In this diagram, process 1 is waiting for resource 2 and similarly process 2 is waiting for resource 1. And next one, resource 1 assigned to process 1 and resource 2 assigned to process 2. This in this case is called as a deadlocks. In general example, see in the picture, if let two persons are assumed process 1 and process 2, assumed calling is a resource, that means calling 1 and calling 2, then person 1 and 2 call to each other at a time, it cannot get anyone cannot get the call because it was still engaging. Same manner deadlocks was happens. That means if the resources are, see in the picture, the process 1 is waiting for resource 2 and the process 2 is waiting for resource 1. In this situation is called as a deadlock. And deadlock characterizations, first one mutual execution, second one hold and wait, third one no permission, and fourth one circular wait. See in the first one, mutual execution. A resource can only be shared in mutually execution manner. It implies if two processes cannot use the same resource at the same time. That means in the example, our own example, the two mobiles, if process 1 and process 2 is nothing but mobiles, the two mobiles are used for calling not possible at a time. If the process 1 and the process 2 is cannot run the at a time, if the process is could not run by the at a time, this is called as a mutual execution. And next one, hold and wait. Hold and wait means a process wait for some resource while holding another resource at the same time. That means if two persons, our example, if two persons are communicate to each other in the mobile, then that means the person 1 and the person 2 hold by, that means this is a person 1 and this is person 2. If the person 2 is held by person 1, in this situation the third person was calling to the this person was in mobile, your call is waiting. In this situation is called as a hold and wait. That means the person 1 and the person 2 is in the communicate each other. In this situation, that means the person, in this person P1 or P2, maybe one person is held by another person. Then the third person was calling to this person. If he was holding the person, then this process is waiting. This is called as a held and waiting. And next one, no permission. No permission means the process which only schedule will be executed till the completion. No other process can be scheduled by the schedule manual. Once again, the process which once schedule will be executed till the completion, no other process can be scheduled by the schedule manual. That means in the general example, in this case only process 1 and process 2 take the weight or ascent. That means if for example the process 1 is waiting for the waiting task, it will take the waiting task, then he only as a waiting he does not assign to the any work. If for example process 2 is take the work as a process as a waiting, then it is only single work is possible. That means it can perform only one action. So for example the person one was calling to the another person, it was only calling function only possible. In this situation he cannot receive the any calls. That is the non-permission. If the person second was is taken receive the call, he cannot call the any other person. This case is a non-permission case. That means if the permission only if it is take the action as a waiting or assume, the process will completed, it will take the next schedule. For example it schedule as a first one process 1 is there, the process 1 completed, then it goes the process 2. This is the non-permission case. Next one, circular wait. Circular wait means all the process must be waiting for the resource in a circle manner. That means the last process is waiting for the resource which is the begin held by the first process. That means if the processors are in a circular formation, the first one the first and second and third one is there, like there, the last process is held by the first process. That means P1, P2, P3, P4, Pn are there. The Pn is held by the first process. That means P1. In this situation is called as a circular wait. Same like this, the person 1 and the person 2 and person 3 and person 4 and person 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a circular manner. If the process 1 is held by the last process is held by the first process. That means P1 held P4 is held by the P1 and this is the P2 and P3. Thank you for the watching. Please like, share and comment.